In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap at that gear to head over to settings and privacy, and in here we need to scroll down until we find how people find and contact you. Just get into it. In here we got some options, and to hide our Facebook profile we have to set all these options to as limited as private as possible. Let's start from the first one. It is called Who Can Send You Friend Requests. Instead of everyone, let's set it to friends of friends. Then, who can see your friends list? I'm gonna switch it to only me. Who can look up using the email address you provided? Let's switch it to only me, and the same about the last option. Also, I recommend you to turn off the option which is called Allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile. Just tap at that button to turn it off. That's basically how you can easily hide your Facebook profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.